Oh, right this way, right this way. Come take a seat right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, how are you?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm doing great, actually. You look lovely.
Thank you. You look lovely too. I love your eyes.
Oh, thanks. Can I be a little irritated because I'm really allergic to hairspray?
Are you serious? I'm wearing a lot of hairspray.
Maybe that's why I'm feeling kind of nauseous. It's okay. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Get your arm off me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you okay now?
Oh, I'm sorry. I just.
You're really disgusting. Do you know that?
I took a shower today.
You don't take a shower every day?
No, I kind of skipped a week.
That's really nasty, you know? Probably why you're allergic to hairspray.
You look really good today.
We need to discuss this. Can you keep your eyes on my face, please?
So, what do you like to do for fun?
I like to do everything.
Anything.
Yes.
That sounds fun. So, do you work?
No. Do you work?
I live with my mom.
Good. Good.
I live in the basement.
That's nice. You're really okay. You should really get a job and get out. Maybe you'll get more dates. I'm just trying to be honest.
I never been to that.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we're gonna have to walk home.
I'm not gonna walk home.
You are.
No, I'm not.
I have no car.
Well, you know what? I'll just call someone to pick me up.
Can they give me a ride too? Or?
I don't think they'll like them. They wear a lot of hairspray. They don't want people that are fast.
So, can you send some change for the ride home?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
We're on a date. You're supposed to be paying for me.
So that reminds me, we're gonna have to split the check. So
I'm not. Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Are you for real?
Yeah, 'cause you can just, you can pay for yourself.
What kind of person are you? You're supposed to pay for me.
Okay, wait, can you pay for me too?
No!